Welcome back to my series, Meals for 4 under $10. This week, I thought I would mix things up by showing you how I make 5 meals with 1 rotisserie chicken. With the cost of everything at the grocery store going higher every day, it's good to know how to stretch your dollar. So here is one way I do just that. I start by cutting up my rotisserie chicken. I buy mine at Sam's Club, so it is on the larger size. It costs just under $5, and I usually get about 2 pounds of meat from one chicken. If you buy elsewhere, you may only get 1.5 pounds of meat. Once I have cut most of the meat from the chicken, I utilize the carcass to make a delicious chicken soup. This soup can be frozen to eat at any time. I find chicken soup particularly helpful when I have a cold or allergies, so I love to keep some on hand. I use half of the breast to make a delicious chicken salad while the meat is at its freshest. Then, depending on how many chicken meals I want in the same week, I typically refrigerate the other half of the breast and freeze the remainder of the meat. Later in the week, I will utilize the breast meat that I refrigerated to make this delicious sweet and sour chicken meal. Adding in all the veggies and serving it over rice really extends the cup of diced chicken into a very filling meal. The next week, I'll take a cup of the frozen chicken and make this wonderful chicken casserole. And later in that same week, I'll use my last cup of frozen meat to make this warm and satisfying chicken pot pie. It's a real comfort food. And there you have it. 5 delicious and nutritious meals from 1 rotisserie chicken. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe.